How to connect Wix to Cloud AI. I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Cloud AI. To get started, open Cloud AI and sign into your account. Once you are on the main screen, click your profile name or account icon in the bottom left corner. From the menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and scroll down until you find the Connector section. Click Customize. In the search field, type Wix. If Wix doesn't appear immediately, click Browse Connectors to view all available integrations. This page displays the tools and external services that Cloud can connect with. Once Wix appears in the search results, click the Add button or the plus icon next to it. Cloud will begin the connection process and redirect to your Wix authorization page. Next, sign into your Wix account using the account you want to connect to Cloud. During this step, you may see onboarding screen or setup prompts. You can follow the prompts or skip them if necessary. After signing in, Wix will display a permission screen asking you whether you want to allow Cloud access to your account. Review the requested permissions carefully to understand what Cloud will be able to access and manage. Once you are ready, click Allow to approve the connection. After authorization is complete, you will be redirected back to Cloud AI. Return to the connectors page and verify the Wix now appears in your list of connected services. If Wix listed as connected, the setup was completed successfully and your Wix account is now linked to Cloud AI. You can now use Cloud with your Wix account through the connected integration.